Hey y'all, this is Randy, the Mobile Traveler. I was just gazing outside at the wonderful weather we're having. Yeah, no, it's crazy. Crazy wind and rain. But I'm still loving the day. Anyway, today's video is going to show you the Mobile Traveler Mobile 5.0. Yeah, I've rearranged, I've fixed things, I've changed things, I've added things, demolished things. I'm finally happy with this build. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all some pictures, and at the end, it's going to be the final reveal. So come back to it and stay to the end, y'all. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. You saw the pictures. You saw what I tried to do. Now you'll see the end. What this is, for y'all that are new to this channel, I was given, for my birthday, a 1965 Red Dale pole camper. Now this pole camper, it was a storage shed since 1985. And you could say I brought it back to life. It's not in original condition. It is in Randy condition. I made it the way I needed it. So, without further ado, here we go. Right here, we have my workstation. It's just a table. Got a nice little bench here. As you can see, very comfortable. This is out of a, these seats are actually out of a Jeep. The back seat of a Jeep. Nice cushion. Over here on the counter, this ledge, that's flooring. Speaking of flooring, look at that new floor. Much better than that laminate. Well, then I've repainted the whole thing, top to bottom. Got the light gray instead of the dark brown. Over here, I added storage above the bed. As you all know, I feed a lot of people. So, I got to have room for the food. Storage. Now, underneath the bed, y'all saw the drawer system that I have. I built this up. Underneath here is my garage. Or I should say my basement. It works great for storage. All I do is I pull this out and I can access everything under there. I have my batteries for my solar underneath there. Down here I have a, what is that, a pure sine power inverter. 1750 amps. Is that what they call it? Amps? Watts. Watts, excuse me. Being a dingbat today. I installed 12-volt system here, so I can charge my phone and stuff right by the bed. Where else are we at? Okay, it has a new fan. This is just out of an old camper, and at least it works. The other one did not work from 1965. Okay, then I put flooring on the countertop. It's really made it nice. And then what did I do next? Bam! Cutting board. Gotta have extra space when you're in a small space. And that little cutting board works very slick. Now underneath the cutting board, I have two 12-volt refrigerators. They are Alpacool, and they work great. As you can see, I got them on a slide system. The slide system handles 100 pounds, I believe it was. So it can definitely handle these refrigerators. And they hold all kinds of stuff. Cheese. I love me some cheese. Okay. The next thing that is new and different. The bathroom. Never had a bathroom in it before. But now it does. Let me move this. We don't have a door. All I put it was a shower curtain. Look at that. I am going to shower in the tropics. It's a 32 by 24 inch shower pan down there, along with the porta potty. So it doubles. You just got to move the porta potty out of the way. Take the shower. Now, I do have on-demand hot water heater. It's a Bosch 2.7 gallons. And I've got it stored up underneath the seat. So let me move this stuff out of the way. And I will show you what I have going down here. Kind of a mess because it's a catch-all. Anyway, right here, that is the Bosch hot water heater. Next to it is a pump, and I just got it going into this 5-gallon fresh water tank down here. And like I said, it's on demand, and it's electric. 1440 watts. I just plug it into the 1850 inverter, and it handles it just fine. And I get hot water. Naturally, I do my showers in the morning so the batteries don't deplete themselves at night. Like I said, I have 3 AGM 105 amp hour batteries. So I got 315 amp hours total. I have a Renogy charge controller, which I've shown you this before, I thought, but sitting right there. Everything else is under the bed. Stored away, nice and neat. I have 400 watts of solar hooked up to the top of the camper. It's an easy build, and like I say, it works for me. If y'all have any questions, put them down in the comments. I love this place. Like I say, it's the Mobile Traveler Mobile 5.0. Anyway, thanks for watching, people. If you like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Smash that like button. Tell your friends about me. Yeah, that sounds kind of corny. Anyway, remember, people, when you're out there, drive safe, travel on, and love one another if you can, and if you can't, you know what to do. You try harder, or you walk away. All right. Thanks for watching.